Happy Vlogmas! It's day number 10 and welcome to this daily festive series here on Adventure Sean. Now so far, over the past 9 days, I've been to lots of different Christmassy places and various attractions, so check out them vlogs if you've not already seen them. However, today, I'm here at home and I've got a very special guest with me. It's my wonderful mum, Melanie!
Hi! I'm back!
She is back! So yes, what we're going to be doing today, Mum? What are we doing in this video?
We're going to do some festive treats, just some decorating.
Okay, so we're not baking anything. We're going to get some items from the shops and we're going to turn them festive. Is that the plan?
Yeah, we're going to make them look Christmassy.
Oh, there we go then. Join us. It's going to get Christmassy. Let's go and have a look at what Mum's got in store for us today. Well, I've got to say you're looking nice and festive there. You've got your Christmas puddings on. You've got a nice headpiece as well.
I'm feeling nice and Christmassy.
With the candy canes on. We've got a nice Christmas background over there. The decorations are up. That's coming up tomorrow in Vlogmas, actually. I'm going to show you our lights. But here we go. Back to what we're doing today. We've got all sorts of items here. We've been to the shops. Tell us what we're doing then. What have we got?
Well, today I'm going to decorate some Christmas crackers.
Okay, so we're going to make some out of these Yule logs just here.
Yule logs. And we've got these Reese's peanut
buttercups, aren't they? There we go. Yeah. What we've got down there.
And some decorations.
To go on the top.
So that's going to be the crackers.
Okay.
Then we've got some tonic snowballs. We're going to make snowmen out of these.
Okay, yeah, that sounds quite nice.
I've got some ice.
Yeah.
I've got some Smarties. And I've got some cookies and cream.
Some cheap Oreos.
Actually, they're M&S Oreos.
Oh, they are there.
Yeah, they're not cheap ones.
Yeah, knock off Oreos down there. There we go.
M&S.
That's for the snowman that we're doing just over there.
And then we're going to do some reindeers. We've got some marshmallows and some curly whirlies.
Oh, I'm looking forward to seeing how we do that. But there we go. There's everything. I think we're going to start off first by going for one of the crackers, aren't we?
Yeah, we'll do some crackers first.
Right, here we go then.
I've just put some ice and sugar, butter and cocoa powder in there, mixed it all together. Or you can use chocolate melted in the microwave, but this is going to stick things together on the decorating side.
Yeah, because obviously, you know, you could not stick them together when it's on a plate, but when you start picking them up, everything's just going to fall apart, isn't it? So
yeah.
Here we go.
So now we've got a chocolate mini roll.
Got the Reese's out just here as well.
We've got the Reese's, yeah.
Get the packets off there. So yeah, the idea is we're going to make like the bits that you pull on a cracker with these, aren't they really? So
yeah, these are going to be the end bits for the cracker.
There we go. So yeah, they're kind of going to go on like this, just to give you a bit of an idea of how it's going to be. So yeah, you're putting that on the end just there.
Just put a bit of that on the end.
And hopefully we'll stick it to it. Other way, that's it. There you go.
Stick it that way.
Oh, that looks good. And put one on this side, yeah, and it's like you're pulling the cracker then, isn't it?
Yeah.
There we go.
Bit more on there.
That's it. And on it goes, and there we go. It's already looking like a cracker, isn't it? There we go, it's cracking there.
Then we're going to just put a little bit on top.
So what's the idea with the bit on top then? What's that going to be for?
Well, this is going to be just for a few decorations to make it look like a cracker.
Okay, and that's what we can see just over here. We've got some different hundreds of thousands and decorations and stuff to go on the top just there. There we go. That's it, spreading that out. We're going to smother the top of the cracker in decorations, aren't we?
Yeah.
There we go. Very delicate with that there.
Yeah.
I think that looks pretty good.
I think it's time for some decorations now.
There we go. So yeah, just putting these on.
Sprinkle some of them on.
Oh yes, that's looking good.
Some of them on.
Okay, get the little stars on as well.
Put on anything you like, really. Just anything to make it look Christmassy.
Yeah, it's looking nice. I think they're little pumpkins actually, aren't they? For Halloween pumpkins that we were putting on there. There you go.
And there you have it.
So how long will this take to kind of set, did you think, just until we can pick it up?
10 minutes maybe.
10 minutes.
That's all, yeah.
There we go. So we're going to make a few more of them now, and then we'll move on to making the snowman. Hey, here we go then. Time for my go now, isn't it?
Yeah, it is. I'm on the camera now. I'm rolling the camera.
Well, I'm doing a bit of a different way because I think this will be easier. So I'm going to hold the mini roll like this, and then I'm actually going to apply the chocolate onto the side. There we go. Sorry about the poor quality filming if it's bad there. I'm only joking. There we go. These are the originals. Mum and Dad used to film me, didn't you, at all the theme parks?
We certainly did.
Yeah.
We learnt how to do it, didn't
You
we?
did, there we
yeah.
go. See, I think it's easier doing it this way. Instead of putting it on the plate, we're going to apply some more chocolate on the top just there. Sean's baking.
Yeah, it is easier that way actually, because I've just done one that way.
Oh, here we go. Oh, I don't know.
I have, and I said to you it was easier that way.
That's it. Get that all on. That's it. Just flatten that out a nice bit on there as well. Make sure we cover the whole top of the cracker. They look good though, these two.
Yeah, I'm quite impressed with them
nice.
actually.
There we go. Then I'm going to pop mine down.
He's going to pop it there, see if it's as good as mine.
Some more of these coming out. They're nice though, they are. You've done a good job of that.
Yeah.
There we go. Going to get the chocolate out.
I think you need to smooth the chocolate out a bit more, Sean.
You reckon? Oh, here we go. Let's pop that on there. Just like so. Da-da-da. We're getting there. A wrapper off that one. That's going just in there. There we go. And we're going to get some decorations. I'm happy with the chocolate, that's okay.
Yeah, you won't see it when you get all the bits on, will you?
There we go. We're going with a bit of a different design with this one. Lots of green on there for a nice Christmas cracker. Smother that all the way over. Sean's quality baking, this isn't it?
Yeah.
I say baking, more just making some Christmas treats.
It's only decorating, isn't it?
Yeah,
Really?
just using things what I've already done. It's it's nice and easy, really.
Just simple, isn't
Yeah,
it? Really.
I'm happy with that.
But very effective.
There we go. Right,
Yeah.
oh, that's nice. Then we're going to move on now. We're going to make some snowmen, aren't we?
We certainly are.
That's the next part of it. So yeah, we're going to make some snowmen next using the snowballs that we've got just over here from Tunnocks. We've got the knockoff Oreos, the Smarties, and also the eyeballs just there.
Yeah,
Let's
that's
go.
what we're going to make.
So we've got all the lovely polar bears and penguins out there in the garden, and you're going to see them in Vlogmas tomorrow. But what they need is a nice snowman friend, don't they?
They do, yeah.
Right, what we got?
We've got a Tunnocks marshmallow. We've got some white icing, sugar.
Okay.
And that is going to stick all the little things together, really.
So we're going to start with a cheap Oreo just there, the M&S Oreo.
It's an M&S one. So that's going to go there. That's going to be the hat.
Oh, so it's kind of like he's wearing it off to the side.
Yeah. Then we've got some eyes.
I think the hat maybe should be moved in a bit more. I don't know what you think.
What, there?
Yeah, I think something like that would be quite cool.
We're going to stick the eyes on.
So yeah, we obviously use the white just so it doesn't show up as much. Because if we use the dark chocolate on there, it wouldn't have looked right, would it? There we go. Move that down a bit, I think.
Oh, he's a bit fussy.
There we go. No, that looks okay. That's the thing with using the white icing though, like it doesn't matter as much, does it really? If you see it sort of spilling out from the side.
That's going to be the nose.
That's a Smartie, isn't it? That we got
That's
just there, yeah.
Just a half a Smartie.
Yeah, we cut the Smartie up, and the eyes, you bought them actually as eyes, didn't you? We didn't
I
have to
did.
make those. There we go.
And then a half a Smartie for the mouth.
Just about getting it on right there, isn't it? It's alright, it looks just a bit frosty, doesn't it? There we go, it's frosted over.
Frosted the snowman,
Yeah, there we go. Well, there you go, that's our snowman.
There you are.
Yeah, that was easy enough, wasn't it? It looks quite effective, to be honest, that. I think, the hat's just... Shame it says M&S on there, but,
I did think I bought the Oreo ones. I got the wrong ones, but they're fine, aren't they?
Yeah, they are, yeah. It looks, you can get the idea. It's supposed to be like the snowman with his hat off to the side. There you go, we're going to make a couple more of them. Then we'll make the final thing, which is going to be the reindeers out of the marshmallows just there.
We are.
Well, I hope you're enjoying today's Vlogmas so far. Up next, we're going to be making some of the reindeer. So here we go, it's over to Mum. Right then, so what have we got then just here?
Well, we've got some chocolate marshmallows here.
Open them up.
I've just bought at the shop. We're just quite simple but effective again.
So yeah, the plan is we're going to put like a little hole in the top, isn't it? And then we're going to use the curly whirlies to put in the top to make us antlers. And then we're going to put the eyes on and also a big red nose as well.
That's right. Let's hope it goes well.
Fingers crossed, here we go.
So a little...
It's a little kind of piercing in the top just there, so it's not too much. And yeah, we're going to actually cut the curly whirly now. So we've worked out the sort of size that we want it to be.
Quite tough to cut.
And then of course we need to have 2 antlers. So yeah, you're just cutting that straight down the middle. There we go. That's it. And the idea is now that they kind of slot into the top. It's just you don't want to push them too much, else obviously you're going to crack all the marshmallow, don't you really? There we go. And it goes. That's it. There we go. That's looking good. The antlers on the top. Then obviously we've got the Smarties off to the side. And we're going to put a nice big red nose right in the middle, aren't we now?
We are.
And we've got the eyes just over there as well. I think put the nose right in the middle for Rudolph just here.
We're just going to put a little bit of chocolate on again.
There we go. Using the milk chocolate there just so, of course, the colour doesn't matter too much on there and doesn't stand out as much. There we go.
Stick it on.
That's it. Our little reindeers come in. And obviously we've got the icing as well to go on the back of the eyes just here. Start placing them on. That's it. Oh, these are looking good. There you go. You'd have thought you could make some antlers out of a curly whirly. Well, there you go.
It's quite effective, actually.
Yeah, I think so. That's it.
And there you have it.
Yeah, easy enough to do. They look good, they do, don't they? You know, and obviously you can make the antlers as long or as short as you want to, really. I think that's about the right sort of length. If you wanted to, you can make them smaller, or you can make them all different, you know, so you've got different ones on the plates for your Christmas party. Lovely. Well, we're going to make a couple more, and then we're going to display everything that we've made, and yeah, and show you before we wrap up. Oh, there we go. She's eating the little bits. There we go. Yeah, we're going to make a couple more, and then we'll wrap up the vlog. Right then, so we're all done. Oh, you got a bit of a, you're looking in the mirror. You got a bit of a floppy candy cane up there. There you go, that's it. Straighten that up a bit. Right, we're all done. We've got all our festive treats made just over here.
Done, yeah.
Da, 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 da. Whee. So we displayed them all out just here. Maybe if you are having a party over the festive season, and then yeah, this is what you could do, have them all nicely displayed. So we've put them on these plates just here, as you can see. And yeah, we've got the lovely reindeer, the snowman, and also the crackers. I think my favourite out of the 3 has got to be the crackers for me. What about you?
I like Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer.
Had a very shiny nose. There you go. But yeah, I think they all look really nice. But comment down below on the video. Let us know which one you like the most. So maybe you're going to try making all 3. You got to think though, it's not too hard to do these. It's not like we're baking anything. Yeah, the most you've got to do really is make the like the icing, isn't it, to stick it all together.
They really is. Yeah, but they look really effective.
Yeah, they do. Well, thank you very much for showing us how to do them.
You're welcome.
Here's one more look at them just here as well. Yeah, really nice. Yeah, really impressed with them and how they turned out.
You're welcome, but now it's time for Sean to clean the kitchen.
Oh, I don't know about that. Yeah. But they're lovely. They look great, they do. Fantastic. Well, there we go then. It's come to the end of day 10 of Vlogmas here on Adventure Sean. Thanks so much, Mum, for being a part of it and, yeah, showing us how to make them. I think they look really good.
Yeah, I'm pleased with them.
Yeah, very impressed. Now, in terms of what's coming up next, tomorrow there's going to be another home vlog. And yes, I'm going to be taking you for a look around our Christmas decorations, including the animated tree. We've done a few other decorations in the garden for this year. You've had a bit of a preview in the background out the window here in this vlog. So yeah, that's going to be coming up tomorrow. But there we go. Merry Christmas, everybody. And that leaves us with one final thing to say. Happy Vlogmas! See you tomorrow.